Hello. Um, Today we got a Master Lock Titanium series. It's rated pretty high actually. I think it's one of the only Master Locks I've seen with security pins. So good and locked. Well, take a crack at it. Got my favorite half or short hook. Like all security pins, it's good to get a false set started. See the plug, it'll kind of turn as you get a false set. There we go, halfway done. Give it one more pin to go. This last one is always tricky in here. There we go. And there we go. Looks pretty big and tough, but not really. Alright. Have fun. See you again soon.